technology always marks a turning point in history. Since its founding as a textile machinery manufacturer, Muratec has leveraged its technological edge to create businesses that have brought innovation to various industries. Through our technologies, we integrate knowledge and ideas across multiple business areas to develop innovations that remain ahead of their time. This commitment to innovation is what defines Muratec. In the textile industry, new applications are emerging not just in fashion, but across all sectors. We support our global customers with unique ideas, including air technological yarn production and after-sales services utilizing ICT. We are committed to sustainability. We address key issues in the textile industry by continuously reviewing our manufacturing processes and enhancing our environmental performance. Logistics systems are crucial across various industries, from manufacturing and distribution to services. By integrating efficient material handling equipment with IT, we deliver solutions that are customized and optimally tailored. We ensure uninterrupted logistics by offering solutions that integrate real-time data, including operational status and environmental conditions. We design the future of logistics, seamlessly connecting supply chains worldwide. Semiconductors, which are essential to modern society, are manufactured in ultra-clean environments through hundreds of intricate processes. Muratec's transport systems deliver the reliability and stability needed by semiconductor factories that operate 24/7, 365 days a year. We provide superior hardware and software solutions to optimize the ever-evolving in-plant logistics, including the nitrogen purge storage systems that facilitate semiconductor miniaturization. We will continue to support the ever-growing semiconductor industry with our leading solutions. The foundation of industrial products like automobiles, industrial equipment, and robots lies in machine tools used in manufacturing. High-precision machines handling orders in the micron range and our automation expertise deliver solutions that ensure high-mix production and process integration. With our flexible approach, we assist in designing and building new production systems, including those that support complex operations and pioneering multifunctional machines. We support the evolution of manufacturing at production sites that continue to change with society. IT needs are constantly changing with the times, not only in the office but also on the shop floor. Leveraging our communications technology, we continue to provide solutions such as information and security systems that are tailored to different work styles. We also propose systems to enhance QCD by visualizing and analyzing production data, utilizing the production management expertise we've developed as a manufacturer. We support DX in a changing environment of offices and production facilities. To create new value by bridging divisional boundaries, we have established a structure with 5 business divisions as the vertical axis and a cross-divisional organization addressing common issues as the horizontal axis. We synergize our broad knowledge and underlying technologies to help drive further development. In the area of R&D, we are particularly focused on accelerating product development and creating new businesses. In doing so, we seek to develop new technologies that go beyond the scope of existing businesses and bring innovation to society. To fulfill our role as a member of society and remain a company that society needs, Muratec will continue to challenge the status quo on the shop floor and thereby change the world. Our innovation will continue.